Hi parents, I just wanted to share a quick informational thing that I have found for Google Meet to be helpful. Since we've been doing since we have a couple Google Meets now that we've done, I've been trying to think of ways to make it a little bit more efficient and a little bit better for us. So one way that I thought we could do that is by enabling a feature on Google Chrome that allows students to raise their hand when they want to speak. I realize that it can be a little bit challenging to hear everybody when I tell them to unmute their microphones. And I also cannot always see everybody in the Google Meet. So one thing that I've added to my Google Chrome browser is called Nod. And if you just type in Google, Nod extension or Google Meet, and you need to make sure that you're using Chrome for this, not Safari or any other browser. Make sure that you're using Google Chrome. And so this will come up, and basically it's just an extension that you'll add to your browser or your Google Meet. So you'll just click Add to Chrome here. So it's called Nod Reactions for Google Meet, Add to Chrome. And also make sure you're doing this on whatever laptop you have your child doing their Google Meet lives on, because this is going to be useful for Google Meet, obviously. So then it will ask you this, and then you're going to click Add Extension. And then it will just say it's been added to Chrome, which is awesome, and you'll hit the X. Now, if we were to go to a Google Meeting, I'll just go to one right now and I'll show you kind of what it will look like when you're in a Google Meeting and how kids can use it. So join or start a meeting. So then we join it. Join now. Okay, perfect. So this is then what your child will see when he or she is on the Google Meet. And let's say that I ask a question to the class or whatever, and they want to share their thoughts or their answer, then they can actually just go over here, and with the student raising his hand, they can just press on that. And it will tell me, so right now it says Emily raised their hand, but if it was a different student, it would say, Bobby raised their hand or whatever. So then I could know that the student is raising their hand in Google Meet, and I can call on that student rather than having all of us unmute our microphones at once and trying to talk. It just gets a little bit distracting that way. Also, students can also use emojis to react to things. So they could do a thumbs up, a laughing emoji, and it will just show me what the students and how they're reacting to the different things that we're doing in our Google Meeting. So basically the only thing that we will really use consistently is the hand raising one. So if you just want to show that to your student, if you just want to create a Google Meet or on your own and then show them that, or even when we do our next meeting on Friday, just by showing them that, that would be really helpful for me. If you have any other questions about how to do this, please let me know. It should be pretty straightforward. You just need to make sure that you're on Google Chrome and that you're logged in with your student's email account. Awesome. So I really appreciate all of your help, and I look forward to seeing your child on more Google Meets. Thanks.